Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Tag Manager on WordPress, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Google Tag Manager on WordPress, start by creating a Google Tag Manager account. Visit the Google Tag Manager website and click on Start for free. Sign in using your Google account if prompted. Once you're signed in, click on Create Account. Enter your account name and select your country. Next, name your container and select Web as the target platform. Click on Create to proceed. Review the terms of service and click Yes to accept them. After this, you'll see your Google Tag Manager container code. Copy the code snippets displayed on the screen. Now, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Appearance and then click on Theme Editor. In the Theme Editor, locate the header.php file from the list on the right. Paste the first code snippet you copied just after the opening head tag. Next, locate the footer.php file. Paste the second code snippet directly after the opening body tag. Make sure to save your changes in both files. Alternatively, you can use a plugin for easier installation. Search for and install the Duracell Tommy's Google Tag Manager for WordPress plugin. Once installed, activate the plugin. Go to the plugin settings and enter your Google Tag Manager ID. This ID can be found in your Google Tag Manager account dashboard. Save the settings to complete the process. To verify the installation, install the Tag Assistant Chrome extension. Open your website and check if Tag Manager is firing correctly. Now your Google Tag Manager is successfully installed on your WordPress site. You can start adding tags and tracking your website's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.